Hello viewers, welcome back to Delight. Analytical paragraph writing. Yes, today we are going to see what is an analytical paragraph. It is prescribed in CBSE Class 10 English Language and Literature syllabus instead of short story writing, which brings you 10 marks. You can find this question in section B, writing. Question number would be number 4. Writing an analytical paragraph on the basis of given map, chart, report, line graph, etc. in about 150 to 200 words. Today, in this video, we are going to see Introduction to Analytical Paragraph, elements, format, and an example. Here is the introduction of Analytical Paragraph. Analytical paragraph explains the evidence that supports your thesis. An analytical paragraph gives you the power to concisely express your idea or thesis. It is a written text based on the analysis of your data. It basically explains your thesis. It does not just describe the data. It points out some specific parts from the given data to justify your thesis or statement. The data is given in the form of pie charts, line graphs, bar graphs, maps, etc. And an analytical paragraph shows choices and preferences also. How we are going to write an analytical paragraph, or what are the steps to be followed to write an analytical paragraph? First, we form a title or else a claim statement after reading the given question or data carefully. The title or claim statement can be called thesis. Now, we explain our thesis, that is the claim statement, with evidences. So where do we get these evidences? From where? We need to get evidences from the data given. So the data will be given in forms of pie chart or graphical representations like line graph, bar graph, or maps, etc. Now let's move on to the elements of an analytical paragraph. First thing is claim or topic statement. You need to give a title to your paragraph about you want to communicate based on the given data. Second element is evidence. You are supposed to use the textual information to justify your topic statement, title, or thesis. And the third one is explanation. Now you need to explain your analysis and understanding of the given data in a detailed manner. And the last one is conclusion. Now you are going to end the paragraph with rewriting your argument in a new way. Format of an analytical paragraph. First, title. The title expresses the main idea or theme of your thesis. Second one is introduction. It contains the central argument or thesis of the analysis what you are writing. And overview. This paragraph displays the main points of analysis, evidences, and explanations that justify your argument. And conclusion. This last para reiterates the main argument of the whole paragraph. Example for an analytical paragraph. Here I have given a question and the analytical paragraph which is written from the given data. Let's read the question. Listen to the question. The maps given below show the changes that have taken place in Meadowside Village and Fontaine, a neighboring town, since 1962. Analyze the changes that had taken place over the years and write an analytical paragraph in 150 to 200 words. A very important point to remember is you need to adhere to the word limit. Look at the maps. First map gives, it is taken in the year 1962. It shows the Meadowside Village and the Fontaine. Okay, a road is going through Meadowside Village and there is a railway track goes through, passes over Fontaine. And in the second map, which is taken, which is made in the year 1985, it shows that there is a road connects the village with the fountain. And the third map, it gives you the picture of a development and how the two regions got merged completely. Now let's move on to the answer. Look at the first one. This is the title: the growth and development of the region. The growth and development of the region. This is called the claim statement or thesis. And what you're going to do now, you have to give introduction and you have to explain with the evidences. You have to explain the evidences to prove your thesis. That data is there, the data will present you all the evidences, and then conclusion. Now let's go to the introduction. The maps given illustrate how the Meadowside village and Fountain, the neighboring town, has changed and developed. It depicts the map of both the locations for the years 1962, 1985 and the present respectively. It is pretty evident from the maps that both village and the town increased its size to have finally merged together. Yeah, it is very evident, very clear. We are writing details from the data given here, from the map actually. So at the beginning you can clearly see both the Meadowside village and Fountain, both are very small in size, and then they have developed. In the second map they have developed to some extent to have a connection road between them, and then in the third map they have completely became together, merged together. And second paragraph, now in this paragraph you are giving evidence, complete evidence. In 1962, look at the first map. 1962, the village and town were separate entities. Yes, both were Meadowside village and Fountain, both were separate entities with a different infrastructure. Yes, housing and facilities. There were no roads and rails to connect the village with the town. You could see it very clearly in the map of 1962. There is no road or nothing to connect the village and the Fountain town. While there was a railways going through Fountain and a road from Meadowside village, they went in completely different directions. Yes, that can be seen very clearly in the first map. By 1985, come to the second map, both the locations not only grew in size. The second map depicts that the size of the village and the town has grown a little. Both the locations not only grew in size but were also connected by another road that extended to the west. You see from the superstore there is a road goes to Fountain town. The growth and development of the region was unstoppable. Yes, even in 1985 it is unstoppable. Still it grows. It is developing. Soon the village and the town merged into a new area housing many luxurious facilities. Yes, you see the first map, the housing facilities, other things, nothing is mentioned. In the second map you can see superstore was there, leisure complex was there in the Meadowside village. Come to the third map, you can find railway station is there, hotel, business park. So it has developed with many facilities, luxurious facilities. Now the region has a new railway line and platform been established in between Meadowside village and Fountain. And now the conclusion paragraph. The new area even has a hotel and a business park that vouches for the great development for the region. You see, the report has been a complete study of the maps, the data, what is given to you. So the report what you are writing, actually it is, I told you at the beginning itself, it is a written text based on the analysis of the data given. The data here given is in the form of a map. So you have completely studied the data given and you have just changed the form from map into a written form. So dear students, adhere to the word limit. Do not repeat. Try to avoid ideas, and then thank you.